Good morning, children. This lesson is of class 5 for the subject of maths, topic revision, which is submitted to you on 30th of August 2021. Students, today we are going to revise the syllabus, the whole chapters. So let us start with the first question. Divide 4 by 11 by 3 by 5. Now we have to divide these fractions. This is a mixed fraction. First of all, convert it into improper fraction. How? 11 into 5, 55 plus 4, 59 upon 11 divided by 3 by 5. Whenever divide sign changes to multiply sign, we have to do the reciprocal of the second fraction. It will become 5 upon 3. Now, you have to check, is there any cancellation possible? Now, no cancellation is possible. So, we will multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators, and we will get 295 upon 33. Now the next question is, we have to find the HCF of 144, 630 and 756. First of all, we will find their prime factorization individually. First of all, let us find the prime factorization of 144. That is 2 into 72, then 236, 218, 29331. Keep this thing in mind that we have to take only prime factors here because we are finding the prime factorization. Now, let us find the prime factorization of 630. Now since this is 0, last digit is 0, it means it is divisible by 2. So we get 2, we have divided it with 2, we get 315. Now this, all the digits, sum of the digits is divisible by 3, it means this number is also divisible by 3. So on dividing this number by 3, we get 105. Now this is divided by 3, we get 35. Now 5 into 7, 35. 7 is a prime number. It comes in its own table only. So 7 into 1, 7. Similarly, we will find the prime factorization of 756. Now 144 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then 630 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. Then 756 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 7. So now what we will see the factors which are common. 2 is present in all, we will write 2. 3 is present in all, we will write 3. One more 3 is there which is present in all, it means we will write one more 3. Now we will multiply them and we get what? We get 18. Now we have to find the LCM of same numbers. The first step is same and the second step is also same. That is, first we have to find their prime factorization, then we have to write it like this. Now let's see what happens when we write LCM. In LCM, children, you have to consider all the factors. Now see, factors are 2, 3, 5 and 7. All the factors you have to take. Now 2 is coming here 4 times, here 1 time and here 2 times, and we have to take it maximum number of times, that is 4 times. So let us write it 4 times. Then 3 is coming here 2 times, here it is 3 times. So let us take it 3 times. Then 7 is coming only 1 time, so let us take it only 1 time. And 5 is also coming 1 time, so let us take it 1 time only. Now this is 8, this is into 2 into 27 into 35, and on multiplying these numbers we get what? 15,120. Clear? Now let us find the sum of 3 by 5, 1 by 7. We have to find their sum. Now first of all we have to make the denominator same. And how we make the denominator same? We just multiply with their opposite denominator. Like 3 by 5 will multiply with 7 into 7, and 1 by 7 will get multiplied with 5 into 5. We get 21 by 35, 5 by 35. On adding, we get 26 by 35. In the next question, we have to find the product of 2 by 3, 3 1 by 4. Convert it into improper fraction first. This is 13 by 4. Now multiplying this, 26. This is 12. Now the both numbers are coming in table of 2. So let us do the cancellation. 2 1 2, 2 3 6, 2 6 12. Now we have to check in the next question, the given number is divisible by 4, by 5 and by 7. Now for 4, we see the last two digits. The number formed by last two digits is not divisible by 4. It means the whole number is not divisible by 4. Then for 5, we see the last digit, and the last digit should be 0 or 5. But here, since the last digit is 8, so the number will not be divisible by 5. Here we have to check the divisibility by 7. For 7, we separate the last digit with the whole number and multiply it with 2 and subtract it from the remaining number. That is 2, 3, 5, 7 minus 8 into 2 is 16. Now we get what? We get 2, 3, 4, 1. Now again let us separate it and multiply it with 2, subtract it from 234. We get 232. Again do this same step. Separate it, multiply it with 2 and subtract it from the remaining number. So we get 23 minus 4, that is 19. Now we have to stop there when we get the 2 digit or the 1 digit number. So we have 19 is not divisible by 7. So it means the whole number is not divisible by 7. Now in the next we have to estimate 4,907 minus 65 to nearest tens. First of all, let us do it estimation to nearest tens, ones, tens. This is more than 5, it means we will add 1 here. And here this is 5 and we also add 1 here. Now we have to subtract them and we get 4,840. Next is, each packet has 300 notebooks. How many notebooks will 4,000 such packets have? Now one packet has how many notebooks? 300, and we have to find that in 4,000 packets how many notebooks will be there. So what we will do? We will do the multiplication. Now 3 into 4, 12, and then put how many zeros? 2 here, 3 here. Total 5 zeros. So we get 12 lakh notebooks. In the next question, we have been given a mixed fraction and we have to convert it into improper fraction. Start with the denominator. 6 into 3 plus 2. That is 18 plus 2, 20 by 6. Clear? Now in the next question, a recipe needs 2 by 3 cup of milk and 1 by 4 cup of flour. How much more milk than flour is required? So it means we will find the difference. Very obvious. So 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Now make the denominator same. Multiply it with 4 and multiply it with 3. So what we get? 8 by 12 minus 3 by 12. So we get 5 by 12. In the next question, we have to do the simple multiplication of 405376. That is by 32. Now start with 2. 2 into 6, 12. 2 here, 1 here. 2 into 7, 14 plus 1, 15. 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7. 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 4, 8. Then start with 3. 3 into 6, 18. 8 here, 1 here. 3 into 7, 21 plus 1, 22. 3 into 3, 9 plus 2, 11. 3 into 5, 15 plus 1, 16. 3 into 4, 12. So we get 1,29,72,032. Clear? In the next, we have to simplify 25,37,059 minus 11,33,429 plus 1,23,156. So first of all, we will subtract these two numbers. We get what? 14,330. And whatever the answer we get, we have to add this number to that answer. Now on adding, we get 15,26,786. Now children, the last question is we have to write 3,156 in Roman numeral. Don't get confused in Roman numeral. 3,000, that is 3 times M. 100, that is C. 56 means 50 plus 6. So 50 is L, 6 is 51. So we have this number in Roman numeral. Now children, do lot of practice for your exams and do this revision also. Thank you children.